Top tip for making goals specific. Well, I'm a big fan of rigour. If you've been on my courses or you've been around me for long enough, I've probably mentioned the word rigour. I've also likely talked about experimentation and hypothesis-driven work. So to get a specific goal, create a hypothesis. Okay? What do you believe to be true? If I do this, then this will happen. Great. So we now have the goal, the thing that you believe will happen. If I do 100 push-ups a day, I will get fitter. I will be able to do whatever. The experiment, 100 push-ups a day. Okay. What are you going to measure and how do you know whether or not you're going in the right direction? So really tighten up. Consider any goal a mini experiment. You don't know the outcome. Maybe for some people, it is a simpler thing of, I want to do 100 push-ups a day. Okay. I'll be honest, for me, I'm going to lose the motivation to just do 100 push-ups a day because I'm going to have a bad morning and I'm going to be a bit tired and I'm going to skip it and I'll think I'll do it at lunch and then I'm going to be busy and I won't, and suddenly it's the evening and the telly's on and I've not done them because it's 100 push-ups. But if it's about getting fitter, if it's about achieving something, okay, create the hypothesis. If I do 100 push-ups a day, if I do a mix of whatever, I will be able to achieve this thing. Going into the new year, I'm going to be partnering with a friend on a thing called the BUDS physical fitness test, the Navy SEALs. I'm not going to say 100 push-ups a day, but what I want to do is by the summer, and we do have a date, I want to be able to pass the minimum standard. I'm not aiming to be a Navy SEAL, but the minimum standard. So I'm getting really specific. Okay? And that means that whatever I do, I can calculate, is it helping me go towards? Because I've got things that I can time. I can be really clear about, am I achieving it or am I not? And if I have a bad day, actually it doesn't matter because I've got a bigger goal that I'm aiming for. And maybe I can call that a rest day for the week. Maybe I can call it a day for eating chocolate. Who knows? But get your goals nice and specific. And the way that I do that is becoming hypothesis driven. I think this is going to help me achieve that goal and I'm going to try it out. And if it's working towards it, great. And at some point it may plateau and you need to try something different out. And that's okay. So have your goal, have lots of hypotheses ready to go to test things out, see which ones work.